Mabilis naman!
Eh, may mix.
Ay, may mera muna.
Minsan kasi,
Bili ako.
Tara dito.
parang bigla lang kasama mo. Kung paano masasabi yung issue?
Putay ko
Eh,
dito.
akala mo
Bili
na
ako.
nagpapalanding.
Dito ako upo.
Mahirap pong mag-distinguish kasi minsan ang babae, minsan parang ayaw, pero gusto naman. May ganun. Ano po ba yun? Ano po ba ang kawawa?
Gani ka taas.
Ang depensa namin. O kung kami naman halimbawa, ang wala sa food, meron pa kaming karapatan mag-go. May mahirap paniwalaan, pero ako lalo, mahirap paniwalaan ako mag-go. Pero, paano pa pag nag-go ako?
Ayaw.
Yung no means no
Ayaw.
applies to all genders. So pag
Tapos, biscuit. Tapos ako. Tapos ako.
Wala man, di ba?
hindi maganda ang araw ng mga miyembro po ng KOJC.
Ay!
Oh my God. Dito.
Kasi ngayong araw po na ito,
Dito din.
mula kaninang madaling araw,
Bili
tumusisyon
din ako dito.
ang ating mga kapulisan dyan
Saan ba tubig?
Regional Office 11.
Ay, bili ako
At
dito.
pinamumunuan po ng Regional Director nito na si Brigadier General Nicolas Torre. Sa harapan po
Tubig ko
ng
talaga.
Jesus Christ in Rome. Ito po yung itinuturing sa ngayon na pinakamalaking indoor arena, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Ayon pa po dito sa balita, sinisita ngayon ng ating mga kapulisan
Isa.
Huwag tayo.
Isa.
si Apollo Kibuloy, kasama pa po ng ibang mga bugante. Balikan po natin
Tuntas.
ang report na ito ng DMA News kanina.
Kunin na to.
Nangyari kaninang umaga dyan
Ako
sa
na tayo.
harapan po ng
Oh, hindi. Inan.
pakinggan po natin ang report na ito.
Sige.
Okay, yay, 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 yay.
Ano gagawin pa sa...
Yay, 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 yay.
Ang lakas daw ng tugtog to the point na at dinidistract sila.
Nananaman. Tamba na tayo dito.
Tao, pumupulo sa kanila, dinidistract sila.
Alam mo na ito.
Wondering. Nakasabi na,
Tat-
it's really a
Tambo na tayo.
Tayo. Apit na.
Kapit na.
Bakit kailangan?
Wala.
Sabi nga niya,
Diya kita lang. Eat apple.
Alam ko, akala niyo po mga, makandami niyo po talaga mga
Tayo
kapatid.
pa rin
Kasi sa dami niyo po kaputan, talagang pupuntahan kayo ng mga tao. So, ay binitan ko, naiintindihan naman ko. Naiintindihan ko, at Chairman Attorney Roque. Mr. Chairman,
Uy, bakit si kapituan mo?
when all of your
Ay, tagay ka dito ng ulam mo, rep.
and yet now, presented by all these evidences, are you telling me, Mr. Chair, that with all the experiences you had, you did not even bother, Mr. Chair, to ask whether this certain Ronaldin Paterna is not only part of the class of 99, but in fact now, is an executive assistant of Cassandra, who by the way, again, may
Kunin ako pisa.
is under detention by the Indonesian Immigration, trying to free this
Kunin ako bili pisa.
trying to tell me that, Mr. Chairman,
Bakit di ka dadalaw?
ask you, sir, respeto ko sa inyo, huwag niyo pababain. That all of these things, some of the resource persons here have been hiding from legal screens, circumventing the law. Come out from this labyrinth of lies and to free our streets from all of this illegal activity that has brought out by
Bibi
this
man
transnational
tayo.
crimes sa result
Wala na,
of
kuha ka
the
ng bumbong ko.
operation of the offshore gaming corporation.
Bibi man.
May I invite the attention of the former Secretary Attorney Roque? I'd like to direct my question today. Magandang hapon po, Secretary Roque. Just to move back a little bit, from the previous committee hearing that we had, and this is born out of the exchanges
Kahit hindi mag-ipon.
participation in offering the legal services to Wilbur.
Yan muna ikaw baya.
Do you confirm now, Mr. Chair, that you represented Wilbur in a judgment case
filed sometime in August of 2026.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I confirm that. As in fact, I submitted documents to the committee.
Yes. And is this case now currently being heard in the Court of Appeals?
A decision was rendered. We have filed a motion for reconsideration, which remains pending.
And,
Mr. Chair.
yes. And would you confirm, Mr. Chair, Attorney Roque, that the filing, this case was commenced to the
Right to figure man.
judgment, in application for temporary restraining order and writ of preliminary injunction dated on August 29, 2023. Would you confirm, Mr. Chair? Attorney Roque.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Clarifying that earlier we had filed a motion for the regional transport of Angeles City to recall its writ of execution, and that was filed second week of August.
So, but notwithstanding that is already been filed before the Supreme Court, and I'm citing this particular case that I'm bringing out in the open. Would you confirm, Mr. Secretary?
Yes, the petition was filed. It was a petition for annulment,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Also, we presume, Mr. Chair, that as a seasoned lawyer, such as yourself, Mr. Chair, that we presume that the petition must be verified, and also it is also inclusive of that petition, Mr. Chair, is a verification.
Tapos na ba ikaw?
Verification, Mr. Chair, is a statement, Mr. Chair, inclusive of that. Under oath regarding number one, the truthfulness of the filing, the truthfulness of the case, of the allegation of the pleading, and that the pleading was filed in good faith, and that the allegation was
TV Man Titan.
Mr. Chair.
That is a requirement of the courts, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Titan
So the statement of the petition was sworn to.
Titan TV Man.
So the petition, Mr. Chair, the statements in this petition was sworn to.
Titan TV Man.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, Mr. Chair, did you affix your signature in this petition?
As one of the lawyers who prepared the petition,
Ba?
yes, Mr. Chair.
Titan.
You are also aware, Mr.
Titan TV Man.
Hindi, DB man back.
The
ko
TV.
DB back.
The factual contention in the pleading have evidentiary support.
Alam ko,
I'm
DB
sure
ba?
this is just a regular administrative requirement of processors. Would you confirm that?
That these are facts borne by records and as relayed by the clients at the time of filing.
That all the documents attached therein are all supported by evidence. Am I correct, Mr. Chair?
Well, not supported by evidence because the language, Mr. Chair, of the verification is not that it is all supported by documents, but the language, if I'm not mistaken, is that I am the person who is
Titan.
authorized to file, has authority to file, and that it was not
Titan.
intended to, that the key is not used for shopping, and that the contents thereof are true and correct, therefore personal knowledge.
So that would also include, of course, some weaknesses as required by the courts in filing.
Titan DB man
This
ako
petition.
back.
Correct, Mr. Chair.
Ay, paano ako DB? DB.
So, Mr. Chair, may I ask, Mr. Chair, when you filed this
DB
petition,
Manolo.
was Cassandra Ong as a witness, Mr. Chair?
Yes, she signed as a corporate secretary, and she was also,
Ay, paano
she
ako?
also, I think, executive
DB
director.
Manolo.
I do not have the files
Hawi.
with me right now.
Yeah, but she
Saan
was...
DB Manolo? Bawi.
Hindi ko alam.
already part
Hindi
of
ko alam.
Whirlwind Company. Am I correct?
Yes, she signed as corporate secretary for WIP.
Let me just refer to the documents that I have here in my possession, Mr. Chair. This is based on the sublease agreement entered into with Whirlwind Company and Lucky South 99. The date is very important, Mr. Chair, because at this point in time, under the sublease agreement, which was signed on January 5, 2021, this is 2 years before the filing of that petition, Cassandra Ong is already now part of Whirlwind Company, previously from the Lucky South 99. So you confirm, Mr. Chair, that Cassandra Ong is also one of the witnesses whose signatures are fixed in the petition.
I am not aware as of time of filing the petition of the contents of the sublease agreement between Whirlwind and Lucky South because it was not material to the judgment case.
So, Mr. Chair, I'm just citing you the date because at this point in time, when you filed the petition,
Titan DB. Feel ko sa'yo, sa'yo.